killer behind bars tonight in Iowa as court documents reveal new details about a deadly shooting that broke the hearts of so many people in the Omaha area.
It comes as the community continues to pour out support to the deputy he's accused of killing. Memorials and efforts to help the family of Deputy Mark Burbridge continue 2 days after an emotional public funeral.
The man accused of gunning him down during an escape at the Pottawattamie County Jail is back in Iowa tonight under lock and key. As we first reported at midday, he's now in Sioux City after spending the morning in a courtroom in Council Bluffs.
A judge denied bond to Wesley Correa-Carmenaty. Prosecutors charged him with murder and more. Woodbury County deputies took him from Omaha to Council Bluffs, then to Sioux City. 3 News Now reporter Megan Stewart looks at why and the new information we learned in court today. Megan?
Craig and Jen, between Omaha and Council Bluffs, there is now a third community on high alert as a result of this high-profile case.
So many moving parts to this.
This is Wesley Correa-Carmenaty in Sioux City this morning, walking into the Woodbury County Jail.
Wesley, you regret what you did?
He came here after his first appearance in Pottawattamie County Court this morning.
Did he say anything? Was there any?
Very businesslike. They just asked the questions. He answered the questions. He was read the charges. There was a pretty heavy security presence, as you can imagine there would be, but there were no issues.
According to court documents first released today, on the morning of the shooting last Monday, Correa-Carmenaty was being transported from the Pottawattamie County Courthouse to the jail. While in the transport van, investigators say Correa-Carmenaty was able to free himself from his handcuffs and shackles. When Deputy Mark Burbridge went to escort Correa-Carmenaty into the jail, the suspect started attacking Burbridge, causing cuts to the deputy's head, neck, and arms. The court documents say Correa-Carmenaty then ran into the transport van, and when Burbridge and Deputy Pat Morgan tried to restrain him, he was able to get a hold of one of their guns, shooting Burbridge in the head and Morgan in the stomach.
Murder in the first degree in Iowa is mandatory life without the possibility of parole. So, that doesn't really get any worse than that. So, he's looking at a litany of charges, obviously, other than that all range from 5 years to 10 to 25.
Reports from the transport officers was a very quiet trip up.
Woodbury County authorities say they are on high alert now that Correa-Carmenaty is in custody.
Our #1 concern is the safety, security of everybody. From the inmate to the officers to the public. So we want to make sure that we're handling every aspect that we can possibly think of.
In court today, a district associate judge appointed a lawyer for Correa-Carmenaty. The Pottawattamie County attorney has until May 19th to file trial information.